posted about my bedroom in a while. I love it how it is, but ever since I changed the walls to white, the chandelier is just not really a focal point anymore because it kind of blends in. It only stands out if it's on. I've been wanting something that's a little bit more organic and stands out a bit more. I still love the chandelier and don't want to get rid of it because my aunt bought it for our housewarming and she's since passed away. So I definitely want to keep it in the house, and since we have the vaulted ceilings, it's a pain in the butt to get it down. So I was wondering if I could come up with an idea to cover it up with a lampshade or something along that line. And I'm hoping that maybe I can help some renters out there that have a light fixture or chandelier in their apartment or house that they would like to disguise a little bit without having to take it down. So I came up with the idea of using these embroidery hoops, and then I bought some webbing, some kind of textured wood wrap that I don't have right now. It's behind the camera actually. I'm gonna show you in a minute. And I'd like to come up with a drum shade and maybe a bottom part and top part, or just the bottom part. I don't have a specific thought process how I will tackle this project. Sometimes I think it all the way through, or sometimes I just start working on it and see how it goes. And this is one of those projects where I am just gonna see what I come up with, and I hope it will work out, and I want to show you in a video, hopefully a successful project outcome. All right, here is the material that I was talking about. I am right now deciding whether I should use this outside or inside. I like the inside better, but it's just so snapping into the round shape that I think it might be easier just to use it as is in this shape. And the next step I will do is take down the crystal part, so it's only the actual arms open, because I think it's going to be easier to attach something to it and keep the crystals safe. I will store them safely in my dresser over here, so let's see. As you can see, I took all the crystals down except the ones at the top. I'm not sure if I will need to take those down too. The reason I took the bottom ones down, the shade doesn't have to be as big then. If they're hanging down, I would have to make the shade a whole lot bigger. So that was the reason for taking them down. And now I'm gonna get to the lampshade. For this part right here, I'm gonna glue this in place in the chandelier because otherwise I can't get it up there. So I'm doing the same exact thing as I did with the other ones, but just on the chandelier. And then I will hang it up here. Here, I just want to show you how I hung it on my chandelier. I used the eye hooks at the bottom and then weaved it through, and the bottom shade I hung with wires onto the arms. And that's it. What do you think? I'm so happy with the new look and the fact that I could keep my aunt's chandelier in place. It also cost a lot less than getting a new big light fixture.